Hi guys, welcome to Swarup Ki Rasoi. Today I am going to make some mint and garlic paratha. Those of you who have been following me must have seen the recipe I put up a few days back of mint and garlic laccha paratha. Some people may find that making laccha paratha is more cumbersome and takes more time. So, to make it simple for people who do not want to spend more time in making the laccha paratha, I made the simple mint and garlic paratha. The taste is nearly same. So, hope you enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, do not forget to like and subscribe to my channel. So let's start. Ingredients required for the mint and garlic paratha are 2 cups of whole wheat flour, 1.5 cup of fresh mint leaves, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 2 green chillies adjusted as per taste, 2 teaspoons of sunflower oil for the dough and further for cooking the paratha, salt to taste, and whey as needed. You can use water instead of whey if you don't have whey. To make the dough, coarsely grind mint, garlic and green chilli in an electric mixer. Add it to the wheat flour in a mixing bowl along with 1 teaspoon of table salt. Mix it well and add whey little at a time while kneading as shown to make a soft dough. I have used whey, but you can use water instead if you don't have whey. Once a soft dough is made, add 1 teaspoon of sunflower oil and mix well with further kneading. Cover and keep aside for half an hour before you start rolling the paratha. After the dough has rested for half an hour, add 1 teaspoon of oil to the dough and further knead and mix it. Simultaneously put a cast iron pan for heating. You can use a non-stick pan if you don't have a cast iron pan. Take a small portion of the dough in your palm, press it and make it into round flattened shape. Place it in a bowl of wheat flour and coat it all around well. Place it on the rolling board and use a rolling pin to flatten it into a round shape. It may be helpful to roll the pin in a circular motion and allow the paratha to rotate on its own to get the round shape. Grease the pan with a little bit of sunflower oil and place the paratha on it. While the paratha is cooking, repeat the process of making the next paratha ready. When bubbles start appearing, turn it over and spread a little bit of oil over the paratha. You can use more or less oil depending on your choice. Flip it over again and spread further oil on the other side. Alternately, you can use butter or ghee if you wish. Flip it over and allow it to cook on both sides till golden brown on both sides as seen. Alternately, you can use a spatula to cook the paratha by rotating it and pressing with the spatula till it's golden brown on both sides. Then transfer it to a plate covered with tissue paper to soak any excess oil. You can enjoy the paratha with any curry or dal of your choice. It even tastes well with yogurt or raita or pickle or even tea.